This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, today we will see a couple more transformations. So we have we have started with the demo session, and we have gone through very first mapping without any transformation, just dumping the data from source to target, and we have worked on one single transformation, that is filter transformation, very basic transformation. Right now we will see a few more simple transformations, and then we will go for the complex one day by day. So what is the topic today? The topic today will be sorter transformation. Okay, so if you know the basics of SQL, then the sorter transformation is nothing but, first of all, it is an active transformation. It is an active transformation. It is used to sort the data either in ascending or descending order. Okay, it is used to sort the data either in ascending or descending order. Hence, it is same as order by clause, order by clause in Oracle. Okay, what is an order by clause here? So when we go to SQL, right? So we will be writing small queries like select star from a particular table name. Okay, select star from table. Okay, maybe where I mean, this is used whenever we want to give any condition, but I don't want to give any condition. I am going to give order by clause, order by salary, I mean column name, and we should mention here ascending or descending. By default it will be descending, so you need to mention by default it will be ascending. You need to mention descending or ascending explicitly if you wanted any specific order, like this DESC will be descending order, ASC will be ascending order, right? So first of all we will see the data in EMP. What is there in this particular table? As I told you, Informatica is equivalent to SQL, right? But we can implement few scenarios which is not possible in SQL. So that is why Informatica came into picture. But the transformations wise, it has a similar functions which we can implement in Informatica. The functions present in the Oracle. So we are relating each function to Informatica now. So first of all, we will see what is the data what is the data present in this EMP table. So there are around 15 records present in this EMP table. And if you see salary or department number, whatever it is in not in an ordered fashion, right? 40, 10, 30, 10, 20. It is not in an ordered fashion, not in a sorted order. And if you see salary also, this is not in an order. If there is 3,000, 5,000, again 2,000 drop, and 24, 29, 35, 800, like this, right? If we wanted to see the data in a sorted manner, means either salary wise data or department. Okay, we will see salary wise data, no confusion. So we will be seeing highest salary employee on the top and lowest salary employee in the bottom. That means I need to do an descending order of the data. So then what we will do is we need to use a order by clause. Order space by is an order by clause in SQL. Order by, on which column you wanted to order. I wanted to add on salary column. What is the salary column here? SAL. So give SAL. So how you wanted to or sort it, either descending to ascending, at big to small or small to big, how you wanted to see in the table. So I want descending, means big to small, highest salary employee the first record, lowest salary employee I wanted to see in the last. All right, so this is my query order by clause. Now if you run this query, the same data it will be visible in a sorted order. See here, when I execute this query, it will be in a sorted order. The highest salary record will be on the top. See, 5,000, 3,531,3. It is an order, right? This is the only purpose of order by clause. Okay, if you wanted to see in small to big, just give ascending. Okay, and it will be small to big like this. See here, 800, 950, 1100, 1250, something like this, right? So this clause, equivalent clause in Informatica, is nothing but sorter transformation. Clear? Any doubts still here?
Like one doubt, like if you want to do at a time, like two columns to be
Mhm.
arranged, to be sorted. So can we do by
Mhm.
using the conjunction and?
Uh, yeah, we can do that, but it will take a priority of first column first
Okay.
and then the second column next.
Okay. So first the salary will be sorted, then depends on the department number,
Depends
right?
on the another column. Yes, that will
Okay.
be done.
If there is
That
a
we will
okay,
see in. Tell
okay.
me.
So like if there is an equal like any collision, like duplicates will be present, right? So,
Yeah.
so prior to running this query, do we need to use any principal query, identical columns or
Uh,
rows? That one will be deal.
yes. So yeah, that is my next point here.
Oh,
So what what? Okay. Okay, good question. Okay, before coming back to that, to answer your question, I have a question for you.
mm-hmm,
I have told here sorted transformation, right? So
yeah,
whenever I explained about order by clause, if I do ascending, it is giving 15 records. If I do descending also, it is giving 15 records. Means there is no uh, count difference from source to target when I
mm-hmm,
apply this function, right? 15 only, just it is changing the order. That's it. Record wise it is same, right?
okay,
Then why it is called as an active transformation? I told sorter transformation as an active transformation. What does active transformation means? It means it should, the count should vary from source to target whenever I apply a transformation. If you see filter, right, source mate has 15 records. When I filter on department number 20, target it has filtered and loaded only 5 records. Means there is a change in count. Source is 15, target is 4. But
yeah,
how about
but
sorter transformation? Why it is an active transformation? When we are not filtering any data, we are just sorting either the, like, so ascending order, descending order. Okay, so
mm-hmm,
this comes answer to your question. uh, it has a property, it has a property called as distinct property.
mm-hmm,
Okay, it has a property called as distinct property. So it will eliminate duplicates.
okay,
It will eliminate duplicates by itself if you check this box only. It has one property called distinct. If you check this box, it will eliminate duplicates. Suppose say I have 10 records in source, 10 records in source, in which two records are a duplicate, two duplicate records. Okay, the output will be only 9, right? Why? Because one is duplicated. So the
mm-hmm,
distinct will be picked from 2, and altogether total count will be 9 only, right?
yep,
So what is this? Like source is having 10, but target is having 9. That means there is a counter difference or not?
yep,
That's why it is called as an active transformation. And answer to your question is yes. If it has a duplicates, it will automatically remove, but we need to check this option. Otherwise, it will display both in a one fashion, like 5,000 salary and same record we have another 5,000 salary guy. He will be in the second position. That's it.
yeah, that one, yeah,
So one more thing, when we talk about active transformation, right? Active transformations actually have an ability to change the count, but not necessarily every time it should change the count. Okay, based upon the properties we check, based upon the usage we do, based upon how we use the transformation, the record count will change. Okay, so if you don't select a distinct here, then 10 records from source, 10 records into target. That doesn't mean this is a passive transformation. That doesn't mean this is a passive transformation as 10 source is equals to 10 target. The only thing is it has an ability to change based upon the properties that we give. This is very, very important. Okay,
okay, okay.
yeah.
The other question is, so now we are sorting only based on the numbers, right? The ascending and
uh,
descending. It comes on the
mhm.
like either it is a numerical representation. So how about the characters like the name, the employment, job, that one?
Yeah,
Like
we
how do
can
we?
do on any other columns also. The character, whenever we are doing on a character column, right? Then it will sort based upon the alphabet.
Okay,
So
just
suppose
we need
E
to
name,
query it, right? There is a like order by, like, yeah,
yeah,
there will
just put an E name here.
be in it.
It will
Yeah,
automatically do. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Got it. Yeah.
So so this is the theoretical information descending, and you can do.
Yes,
Yeah, it
it's-
goes with WT or something like that.
mhm, yeah. So only the like
Uh-huh.
it work like only the column name we need to change, and the both ascending and descending are like standard, right?
Your requirement. If you want
Yeah.
from big to small, descending. If you want from small to big, ascending. Yeah. How
Mhm.
your requirement is, how the client asks you to represent the data, or load the data.
Okay. So
Ascending
in
and
this
descending.
field,
Only two options will be available.
okay.
Mhm.
So in this filtering conditions, can we use any equivalent something? We need to stop in middle of that table. So I need to select only the first seven of them, and then I
Yeah,
want to add the below ones. I don't want the
exactly.
middle ones.
We,
Can we
yeah,
use that?
yeah, yeah. So, see, there is no restrictions for any of the SQL queries. We can do so till now. What we have did, we have did like this, where department number is equals to 20. The
Yeah, the
previous session
condition. Yeah, the
we have
condition.
given a condition, right? After this condition only, this order by clause will be present. This is the syntax that we need to follow. Okay.
Okay,
Now
so
see.
yeah,
Mhm. Now
so
both will
I
apply
think.
to this query.
So basically, everything is based on like how we deal with the Oracle DB. That queries
Ex-
only will be using, right?
Exactly, exactly.
Okay.
It's
Yeah,
all
I got.
about playing with the data. On which
Yeah.
data is our choice.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. See here,
Right.
I have filtered 25 records here. Department number 20. I got 5 records. On these 5 records also, I will sort based upon the e-name ascending. So now
Mm-hmm.
it starts with JS FS, right?
Eh,
So it will
okay.
now do an order. Yeah.
No, I got the
Sorry again.
Adam. That one is last. Okay. Yeah, you didn't run the query. Yeah. No, I got
Yeah. Okay.
it.
So this is how it works. So that is the next continuation actually, but you are a bit advanced than me, so that's fine. One
No,
second.
sorry. Like I was getting that query. Like I want to clarify there were other any commands separated than Oracle DB. No, that like now I'm clear that every command is similar to Oracle DB. So okay.
I'm sorry, I missed you.
So what I mean is like I was in still little assumption that maybe there are other commands that are like much easier than Oracle DB. But now I got it. There were similar commands what we use in Oracle DB. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything the same. Oracle. The Informatica is replica to Oracle, but
Yeah.
there we have transformations. We don't write any queries. Here we write queries. But in
hmm
in in Informatica also, in Informatica also, in whenever you wanted to implement complex scenarios, then it is easy if you write few queries in Informatica tool as well. So
Okay.
it's a mixture of queries and transformations and everything. Yeah.
hmm Okay.
We will see more coming
Yeah.
days. Yeah.
Okay. hmm
So yeah, this is all about. And okay, if I tell, if see I so what I'm doing is I last time I'm implemented filter. Now I'm implementing sorter. Okay, in coming sessions I'll be implementing both at a time also. That means first use filter transformation, then use sorter transformation. But if I tell everything, it will be more complex and everything in a single session kind of thing. That's why I'm going step by step and slowly. Okay. Yeah, if you understand theoretically, then this is nothing. In practical, just we need to select the correct transformation and give the correct condition. That's it. So I'm again using the same EMP as a source, EMP underscore sorter as a target. Okay. EMP underscore sorter as a target. and we need to create the target, right? We already have EMP with 15 records. We will create the target EMP underscore sorter. Okay, so how to create a table whenever you wanted to create with an existing table? So I already told you, create table EMP underscore sorter is my table name, new table name, as select star from EMP where 1 is equals to 2. Okay, this is the query. It is very simple query, that's why I'm using this one. EMP underscore sorter. Then I think, okay, we don't have any data, but only structure has been created for us like this. Now use this table in Informatica. So I'll be doing same order by clause, order by salary or order by name, whatever it is. Okay, and we'll do the implementation part. Okay, let's go to Informatica tool. So folder creation is one-time process. We don't need to go to repository daily, but what we do in development is in designer. Okay, and source analyzer, we already have EMP source, targeted designer. Okay, we have target designer to create a target. So as it is a similar structure, right? I'll just drag the source and drop here. Okay, and EMP target will be automatically created, but I don't want this name to change. Double click on this and rename, click on rename and give whatever the name you wanted as a target sorter, just for our reference purpose. Apply. Okay, so this is my source, this is my target. Go to mapping designer and create a mapping. Now I have a source ready and I have a target, and now go to the mapping designer and create a mapping. How to create a mapping? Go to mappings tab, click on create. Okay, m underscore sorter, click on OK. Now this is my workspace area. Drag the source EMP. As I told you, whenever we drag, source and a source qualifier will come into workspace area. So for now, consider both as a single source. We'll discuss about the source qualifier later sessions. And drag the target also, EMP underscore sorter. Okay, now my source is ready and my target is ready. So to get more space in the workspace area, we can hide this folder repositories by clicking on this toggle window here. Click this one, it will go away and more space will come for us for development. So now create a sorter transformation. How to create a transformation? Go to transformations, click on create, select sorter from this drop down. Select sorter from this drop down. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, and give the name. Click on create. Click on done. See, this is my transformation. Right now, bring all the columns from source to sorter. Just drag and drop, and bring all the columns from sorter to target. Just to drag and drop. Now we need to configure the sorter transformation. We need to tell on which column it should sort, right? We have not mentioned any property here. So double click on this transformation, go to properties. Okay, we have, as I told you, there is a distinct property here. Okay, if we are sure that the duplicates are coming from source, you can click this box and eliminate the duplicates. Otherwise we can ignore. This is not mandatory. And go to ports now. Okay, here it is. We need to select a key. Key here means on which column you wanted to sort. On which column you wanted to sort. I wanted to sort on salary column. So whenever I click on this key, right, it will automatically ask the direction whether you wanted to sort in ascending order or you wanted to sort in descending order. So click on salary. Automatically this will display here. Default is ascending, and if you click here, it will show descending also. You can select either of it based upon your requirement. Okay, so if you select ename also, it will also ask ascending or descending. But as you asked me, right, like can we sort it on a multiple columns? This is so. How many columns? Based upon how many columns you wanted to sort, that many check boxes you can give. Okay, but sorted gives best performance only if you click on a single column. So secondary column will be secondary priority. All right, clear, simple. Key and direction. And if you are sure if there are any duplicates, if you wanted to eliminate, click here, distinct also. Just it's a checkbox. Click here, otherwise uncheck. Apply. Okay. Okay. Go to repository and save it. Simple. Whenever you save it, it will show the mapping is a valid if you don't have any errors in the mapping level. Right? Okay. After creation of mapping, create a session, create a workflow. Where we will be creating a session in the workflow manager in our same folder. Go to task developer. Okay. If you have anything, just right click and clear everything. Go to task, click on create and give s underscore sorter, s underscore m underscore sorter. Okay. Session name is s underscore mapping name. Mapping name is okay. Click select sorter mapping now. Click on OK. So till here, your work will be same. Okay, and whenever we create a session, right, it will we need to give the connection information inside, like in which database my source is present, and into which database I want to load the target. Where is my target table? That information, right? That's why double click on this session. Go to mapping. See here. EMP. Select the source. Here comes your relational connection. You have created Oracle as a relational connection. I think when you click on this arrow button, you will be seeing only Oracle here. Why? Because only one connection you have created. For me, there will be lots of connections here, but that only difference while giving the connection is I'm giving here like this connection, but you need to give Oracle connection which you have created just now. Is it clear?
Yeah.
For target also same connection. Why? Because both the tables we are creating in the same database.
Okay.
That's why I'm also giving the same name for both. Okay, click on OK. Okay, so one small this thing we need to change this property target loader type from bulk to normal. This will be in target target connection information. So just remember, for now we'll discuss about this one later. Click on apply and click on OK. This is all about session. Done. Okay, go to repository and save it. Right. So after session, I need to go to workflow designer and go to workflows and create a new workflow. So you can give the workflow name as the WF underscore session name. Session name is S underscore mapping name. Mapping name is M underscore sorter. Okay, this is a perfect naming convention whenever you do. And integration service, I don't know if you can see the integration service here. If you don't see, let me know. We'll see how to create it. I think you should able to see. So while installing, you have created the integration service, right? Is there any step that you have created integration service?
I don't
Do you remember?
think so. No, I
You
don't think
remember?
so. Just
So
I
what you
did.
can do is,
Mhm. I think
so while
only info.
creating the work, Mhm.
No, I
Okay,
don't
while
think so.
creating the workflow, it will ask for giving this connection. If you have any default connection, you can give. Okay,
Okay.
uh, here, here.
it will ask here. Here, this is an integration service. So if you see anything here or click this one, if you see anything, you can give that one. Okay. Okay, this is my workflow. Okay, and that's it. Now I think everything is ready. Just run the workflow and see if our required data has been loaded or not. Before that, I'll connect to monitor and stage. So 3 sessions has been completed for us. Practicals, 3 practicals. You tell me, like, do you want to practice before continuing, or you want me to continue with the next transformation?
I think let me practice, then I can get some idea like where I'm struggling or if I am okay with the flow, so I can figure it out, right?
Got you. One request is like, I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to reschedule tomorrow's session, tomorrow
Mm-hmm.
only.
Mm-hmm.
I need to know when is your availability. Like every day we are starting 7:30 IST.
Okay.
So
So
today, today it's already morning for you, right? So
yeah,
is it
morning
possible?
9. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, is it possible your evening time, anytime?
Tomorrow?
Today only. Today your evening time. It's already morning for you, right?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, I can be.
So what will be the time?
Around 4 to 5. It will be okay, or 5 to 6.
You're in which time zone?
CST.
CST.
Mm-hmm.
CST. CST means
Central.
right now. Yeah, I know. Right now your time is 10 a.m. Right?
Yeah,
Around 10.
10. Yeah.
Okay. So your 4 o'clock will be my midnight. I don't think so. It is possible.
Yeah, it's in mid of 2 a.m. for you.
Yeah, that won't be possible. Right after 8 o'clock, maybe 8 a.m. Maybe
Yeah,
after
that's
8
sure.
a.m.
Yeah, you can. Yeah,
I,
whenever, like,
my 8 a.m. will be
whenever. Mhm.
uh my
So
8 a.m. will
like
be your
10:30.
30,
10:30.
9:30. 9:30 it will be.
Okay. You can, like, I am flexible at any time. Like it
Yeah,
depends on you. Whenever you are feeling to be flexible to schedule the time, then I can fit for
yeah.
that.
I mean, that's why I wanted to fix the time now. So it will be 8 a.m. my timing. 8 a.m. will be your 9:30 p.m. Is it fine for you? Is it too late for you?
No, that's okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Anyway,
Right?
we had a like long weekend on this coming Monday, so I will be
Okay.
flexible for that. Yeah.
Okay. What is the occasion on Monday? This
It is a
holiday?
like Juneteenth. Like this year
Oh,
they made it as like officially
okay, fine. Okay, that's fine. I didn't get it.
something like Juneteenth they made it. Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just
So
running this one. Before running, I will check the data. Is there any data? Here in the sorter, I think I already checked, but anyway, I'll cross verify once before I run the workflow. Still, I don't see any data. That means the table is empty before running the workflow. And I will just try to run the workflow now. Start workflow. Okay, should be running now. It is running here and it is succeeded in 4 seconds. If you wanted to see the data, right click and get run properties. Okay, and see source and target statistics here. What happened? Okay. Uh, okay. Okay, it's a sorted transformation, right? Yeah, 15 records from source and 15 records into the target. Okay, I'm just confused. Okay, now if you see, what is the property that we have given? Solary descending order, right? Let me check
hmm
once again in the mapping. Yeah,
yeah.
even though if you don't, if you without opening also, you can see the key, whatever you given, beside that it will show S as a key.
hmm
And if you scroll to right, it's not showing the order. If you wanted to see the order, you can see here in the direction descending. Okay, let's see if the data has been loaded in the descending order. Previously there is no data. Now there is a data with the descending order of salaries. Clear? Clear?
Mhm.
Yeah. This is all about sorter, very simple, and we have a couple more simple transformations we'll be dealing evening, and yeah, then we'll go with the complex ones.
Okay. So the class will be 9:30 p.m. right for me? Yep.
9:30 p.m. for you, 8 o'clock for me. So just wait, maybe 5-10 minutes maximum delay. I'll take only 40-minute session anyway. So just 8, 5, 10 maximum I'll be joining. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So after ending this session, the recording will be saved on your PC, I think.
Mhm.
So you can keep that recording with you. If needed, I'll ask, otherwise keep.
Okay, I'll be mailing it anyway. Okay.
Okay, then that's fine. Yeah. Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.